that all my life I'd been wanting to be a millionaire. I've been thinking about millionaires and looking up at millionaires and reading about millionaires and everything else. And I didn't have the slightest idea how to become a millionaire. So I did was life changing. But basically, I did a full court press for 2 months studying millionaires. And what I found is, surprise, surprise, there are an enormous number of studies on millionaires. You know, everybody, I'm sure, has heard about The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley. And he was actually by Thomas Stanley and another gentleman. Basically, they took about 10,000 people who had gone from rags to riches, become millionaires, and interviewed them and said, how'd you do it? And wrote it down, and basically there's like crosses where people did this, and it turns out that everybody did certain things in a certain way. And if you do the certain things in a certain way, you increase the speed. As I say, it's like stomping on the accelerator. You increase the speed at which you become wealthy. And so I began to study self-made millionaires, and I began to practice what self-made millionaires do. And surprise, surprise, it's a little bit more involved, but in less than 5 years, I was a millionaire. Basically from rags to non-rags, I say it.